Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of NWC6 capacitor. Before starting, disconnect the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective glasses. Prepare wire strippers, wire crimping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications, wire lugs, electric screwdriver, cross screwdriver, insulating gloves, multimeter and clamp ammeter. Before starting the installations, please read the instructions carefully. Then use a digital capacitance meter to confirm that the capacitance between any two phases is approximately equal to half the rated capacitance. Choose a suitable installation location, place the stud at the bottom of the capacitor vertically into the hole of the mounting plate, insert the grounding washer, and then tighten the fastening nut. Before starting the wiring procedure, select a wire with a suitable cross-sectional area according to the rated current of the product. Then use wire strippers to strip 11 to 13 mm of the copper wire and crimp the matching wire lugs onto the end of the copper wire to ensure the reliability of the connection. Connect the wires to the top terminals. Finally, set the torque of the electric screwdriver and use it to tighten the wires. Ensuring that the torque meets the specified value is key, as it ensures the stability and security of the connection. Connect NWC6 with other components of reactive power compensation device. After powering on, switch on the reactive compensation controller manually to put the capacitor into the grid, and then use a clamp ammeter to detect the three-phase current of the capacitor to verify that it is working normally. After disconnecting the power supply, use a multimeter to detect the self-discharge performance of the capacitor. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide for analysis and resolution. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.